Oh guys, this is the paint we're dealing with. It's in pretty rough shape. Done the tanks, other than the smudgy green sea fingerprints from putting them back on. But this rear fender, it's pretty rough as well. We're gonna get this rack off, get our 3M out, see if we can make them look a little better. That's washed. Yeah. All right, guys. You can see what we're dealing with here. This paint is pretty rough. But we're gonna see if we can get this back gloss black again. Got our 3M Finesse It. Wonderful stuff. Got our little buffer. Cleaned it up with the hacksaw blade. We'll see if we can get that shining again. Alright guys, there it is. Buffed out. Got all that crud and scuzz out of it. I don't know. Came out pretty darn nice.